everyone, in the last video we have discussed about how many types of tree we have. In this video we'll discuss about the pre-order traversal. Let's start. So you can see in my screen that there are 4 types of traversal. So at first we'll start with the pre-order traversal. So at first let's see that what is pre-order traversal. So in pre-order traversal, at first we visit the root node, then we traverse the left subtree, and then we traverse the right subtree. So this is a recursive process. So in this video we'll also discuss about the code. At first we'll access and print the data of the root node, then we'll print the data of the left node, then we'll print the data for the right node. Now we'll see that how we can perform the pre-order traversal. So at first we'll take the output for the pre-order traversal. So in pre-order traversal, at first what do? We access the data for the root node and we print that. At first we'll traverse the root node, then left, then right. So at first what we have to do? We have to access the root node. So at first what will be the output? So it will be A, because at first we'll traverse this node or access this node. Then what we'll do? We'll go for its left. So at first we'll access this node. Then what we have to do? We have to go at the left of A. So then we have to take this tree. So I have already told that it's a recursive process. So then we'll consider this subtree. Now what we'll do? What is the root node of this tree? That is B. Then we'll print B. Now we'll go to the left of the B. So at the B's left we have D. So then what we'll do? We'll print D. So D doesn't have any value at its left and right. So what it will do? It will just return that. Now we'll go at the right of the B, because we have accessed the root, we have accessed the left. Now we have to go to the right. Then what we'll do? We'll just print E. So we have printed E. Now this portion is completed, then it will return here. Now we have completed the root node for this tree, then we have completed the left portion. Now what we'll do? We'll access the right subtree, then we'll go here. Now what we'll do? So we will consider this tree as a separate tree because it's a recursive process. Now what we'll do? We'll again print the root node, that is C. Then what we'll do? We'll print F, we'll print G. So in pre-order traversal, at first we print the root, then left, then right. So this is what the pre-order traversal is. Now we'll see that how we can implement this using code. So the code for the pre-order traversal is, at first we print the data, then we'll call the left subtree recursively, then we'll call the right subtree recursively. So at first let's say that our root not equals to null. So what we'll do? We'll just print A. So we'll just check that H is null or not. H is not null. We'll at first print A, then we'll recursively call the left of A, that is B. Then the control will go to B, then we'll print B, let's say that A, B, then we'll print B, then we'll go to the left of the B, so D, then we'll print D, then we'll call D left. So D left is null, so it won't be executed. D right is also null, it won't be executed. Then what we'll do? The control will go here, then we'll call E, we'll just print E. The right and left of E is also null. It will get the control here, then it will pass the control here. So we have successfully traversed the left subtree of A. Now we'll traverse the right subtree of A. So it should be C here. So you can treat this B or C whatever you want, it's not a BST. So this is C, let's say this is C. Now it will go to C, then it will print the left of C. At first it will print C, then left of C, that is F. F doesn't have any child, then it will just return here. Then we'll print G. G doesn't have any child, it will return the control here. Then it will return the control here. then we'll remove our stack. So why I'm saying that we'll remove our stack? Because for the recursion we use the stack. So I think this portion is clear that how we can implement pre-order traversal for tree. Now we'll start with the hands-on. So you can see that at first we have declared the structure, this is the create node function, and this is the pre-order function. So let me remove this in order and post order. So if we compile this code, so let's say that what will be the output, 10, 100, 200. So let me compile this code, 10, 100, 200. So you can see that we have got the output, that is 10, 100, 200. So this is how we can implement pre-order traversal for a tree. So if you have any doubt, just write in the comment section. See you in the next video.